Hey YouTube, what's up? Shuffle Does here for another episode. We are starting a new series on the live edge epoxy desk that I will be building for our office. The idea here is the top needs to be not quite 12 feet long for the 11-foot forward desk that I'll be building. So I have a pair of sawhorses rated at 1,000 pounds, and I have the two best pre-COVID 2x4s that I had laying around that will support the 3/4 melamine top that I'll be putting on it. So I ended up getting two sheets of 3/4 melamine that I had ripped down to 32 inches wide, and that's what you see here. I cut one of them in half, so I'd have an 8-foot piece and a 4-foot piece to make that 12-foot bed I'm looking for. The long end overhanging the 2x4s that's unsupported right now, we just put in some temporary supports. So here we are moving in a 3-legged stand with a screw adjustment that will be placed underneath the top with a 2x6 between to transfer that load, and we'll be able to use that screw to adjust it up and down for level. So the remaining parts of each sheet that I had ripped down, I went ahead and threw those through the table saw and got them to 4-inch pieces, and I used my pocket hole jig to put a pocket hole every foot or so. It made quick work of installing these after we dry fit the slabs, so we knew where we wanted this backstop to be. Those pre-drilled pocket holes went in pretty slick. So what we're doing here is I set up a string line held off the finish face of these back rails by a 2x4 so that we can slide a 2x4 in behind and see if we need to push or pull this backstop into a straight and true line. So I went ahead and bought a made in the USA package of heavy duty shims. These are rated for 8,000 PSI. I tried to do two opposing each other, so when compressed together they will lift that edge or that side of this table. And in some situations I had 3 or 4 just to make sure everything was level and flat, both lengthwise and front to back. All you got to do is tap it in and get it level. YouTube, I have a solid base to start laying out my slabs and begin the process of starting an epoxy pour. I hope you like this video. There's more to come in this series, a lot involved, and I hope you like these short video series that I'll be doing. Like and subscribe. Thank you.